Hey guys, it's TTT. I haven't done a Minecraft video in a while. Like, a long while. Now, today I want to teach you about grappling hooks. I was just walking around, blah blah blah, adventure lab. Ooh, how am I gonna get up there? It's the end. Well, here's the only way. Here's how we can get a grappling hook. Huh. Just like throw this up or something. Stop. Stop. Oh, that's cool. Here's the tutorial. So this is the box. There's a whole bunch of pressure plates connected to one thing. Okay. I destroyed some of my stuff, but it's all connected to this command block, which teleports you here. Yeah. Just shoot it up. Let's see, I gotta write it one. It's really easy. Yeah, if you guys want me to do Minecraft videos, just tell me. And yeah. Oh, glitch. Okay. Yeah, we get the